Despite the minor delays experienced in the lead-up, it has to be said the Vasil upgrade was delivered in true Cardano style, almost as if determined by fate, with the final wave of Vasil capabilities being delivered on Cardano's 5th birthday, representing the best present the blockchain and its community could have wished for. The upgradability of Cardano is like no other, iteratively becoming more expressive, more secure, and importantly more decentralized over time, maintaining its backwards compatibility, driving us forward and not leaving anyone behind, with the killer ability to keep evolving with the ever-changing and fast-paced nature of the advancements of blockchain technology. The potential is truly unlimited. Those who look upon our ecosystem and disregard it as a result of this perception of a lack of utility and innovative applications are completely missing what is occurring here. What we have in front of us is a clean slate, built on the most solid and secure foundations, now primed to harbour industry-defining and world-changing decentralized applications, one of which, going by the name AXO, has just revealed themselves, demonstrating a serious statement of intent to revolutionize DeFi as we know it, and promises to change the game entirely. Welcome back for today's installment of Cardano Insights, where we track the all-important developments at the very pulse of Cardano and its ecosystem. So let's get straight into it. So something a little different from the normal format today, rather than multiple topics, we're going to focus on one item that has been highly anticipated and has all the characteristics that an absolutely killer game-changing dApp should have. Now, with Cardano celebrating its 5th birthday, seamlessly delivering an industry-defining upgrade, what better way to celebrate all the possibilities that are now opening up in our ecosystem than with Maladex finally delivering their highly anticipated announcement, which I think represents a huge statement for both the project and Cardano. After today, I never want to hear the phrase, but who is building on Cardano? Because this project alone makes all trading platforms that have come before look extremely limited. Billed as a world-class trading platform, when taking a deeper dive into what's just been revealed, provides an even greater insight to exactly why Maladex have been receiving this kind of attention. This is game-changing for DeFi, and as a result will go a long way in driving serious user adoption to Cardano, not only from within the crypto space, but far beyond this in the traditional finance world. So first to the announcement, here Maladex, or at least formerly known as Maladex, gave us this tweet confirming Maladex has officially rebranded as AXO. Today marks the beginning of an exciting new chapter for us. Our vision and values remain unchanged. AXO is an affirmation of our commitment and grand ambition for the future of finance. So there it is, rebrand confirmed, and the site has undergone a major facelift, now filled with some brilliant content for us to really start learning and building a greater understanding of what AXO will soon be introducing to the Cardano ecosystem. So if we head on over to their news release, they write, "We've been blown away by the support for the Maladex protocol and vision of a fair, transparent and efficient financial system for all. We're doing all we can to deliver you the future of finance. Today, we're taking a step toward that promise and our strategic efforts to connect the protocol to more people. We're adopting a new name and brand to best represent the protocol's core values and mission." As of September 28, 2022, Maladex will be officially known as AXO, a timeless, accessible and clean brand that will allow our message to spread more easily. AXO is committed to creating a protocol that connects all trades on the planet, from small volume traders to large-scale institutions. The vision and commitment remain the same. Now, our brand matches those core values and long-term goals. Dropping the term DEX from the name is a significant step in our development. DEX is a limiting term for the scope of the protocol, and its removal reflects AXO's distinction as a trading platform for digital assets and an exchange settlement layer for the world, far beyond the functionality of a DEX. We also move away from the negative connotations associated with the term MAO in different languages and cultures as part of our commitment to inclusivity and accessibility. The AXO logo contains both the lambda symbol and mathematical arrow called a lollipop arrow from linear logic. Together they will form the iconic X, a nod to the mathematical fundamentals of category theory and linear logic, on which the protocol design is based. We've kept tight-lipped on our new branding, but it's worth the wait to have a brand that will truly represent the promise of the protocol. It takes tremendous experience and talent to create world-class brands, which is why we've been working with industry leader, Moving Brands, known for creating brands for companies such as Netflix, Google, Virgin and Spotify, to name a few, which we also covered a few months back on this channel. They continue to state the process was grueling and led to a deep introspection of our mission to pioneer the transition to a fair and efficient financial system for everyone. Everything from the graphics, geometry, color scheme, behavior, tone, and writing style had to match our vision. We're proud to declare that our hard work has ensured the AXO brand represents everything our community and we stand for. The AXO protocol is gaining momentum, and we thank you all for your support so far. We have a series of industry-shaking announcements yet to come, so stay connected with us. Now, I like the sound of industry-shaking announcements still to come, and we'll be following every step of the way on Cardano Insights. So first off, I'm loving this rebrand. Whilst Maladex and its mascot Mal will always have a special place in the hearts of anyone who's been supporting and following the project, the rebrand makes a lot of sense, a much better representation of how serious the project is, which will enable it to truly compete on the global stage. I noticed some being a little underwhelmed with the announcement as a result of all the hype in the build-up, but I guess you can't please everyone. The way I see it, this is a necessary step for the platform to be successful at launch and compete long term with already well established brands. With the Q4 launch date still in play, a 3-month timeframe is not exactly a long wait. Considering we were under no illusion that the announcement could be a surprise launch, as the team repeatedly confirmed this would not be the case, a rebrand, and one as slick as what AXO has just delivered, holds huge significance for the long-term success of the platform. Now, before going a little deeper in the new site and taking a look at some of the features AXO are bringing to our ecosystem, a little heads up for anyone who took part in the ISPO. You may recall participants were promised a Maladex NFT drop. Here, this person suggested, you need to create an NFT for Mal and airdrop it to your delegators that supported you, great rebranding. To which Yarit replied, ready to go after rebranding, collection created, the delivery mechanism needs more testing. So watch this space, ISPO participants, your Mal NFT is still coming, which I think is a great way to thank supporters of the project and will also represent an iconic piece of history of where the project started from, a great memento for the years to come. Now let's run through some of the key benefits of AXO in comparison to all other decentralized and centralized exchanges. Here in this table you can see AXO is decentralized, non-custodial, formally verified, has a native custom strategy creation tool, financial instruments creator with unlimited order types, ability to share trading strategies, and importantly, no KYC requirement. In contrast, of the benefits listed, other than DEXs being somewhat decentralized and centralized exchanges to some degree offering the ability to share trading strategies, AXO are introducing a collection of highly innovative and revolutionary trading tools and benefits for its users that cannot be found in any centralized or decentralized exchanges. What I love most about their intentions as a platform is it has been built specifically to rival and surpass centralized exchanges, enabling everyone from the average user, seasoned trading professional, to high-level institutions to exchange digital assets, create trading strategies, and utilize advanced custom order types, all within a single platform. In essence, they're introducing traditional finance functionality with the flexibility of decentralized finance, resulting in a far more efficient, secure, and accessible technology to trade freely, without barriers, and tailored to the user's own preferences. As I mentioned earlier, this is far more than just a rebrand. The transformation has also provided a great insight to what exactly is under the hood and to be introduced at the launch of the platform. Through the introduction of programmable swaps or auto-generating smart contracts, AXO implement an entirely new standard for financial communication and value exchange. In essence, through the implementation of programmable swaps, users will be able to replicate the utility of any centralized or decentralized trading platform, in addition to creating entirely unique trading strategies. A programmable swap is created for every order and trading strategy that a user deploys. This optimizes efficiency as they reference existing on-chain scripts as opposed to being embedded in the platform's code, reducing their size and deployment cost. Written in a completely new high assurance and formally verified X programming language, which is purpose-built for finance, programmable swaps deliver independent and fair trades, ensuring that a user doesn't lose custody or have to pool their assets, remaining in complete control until the trade is either executed or cancelled. Now referring to AXO's unlimited order types, users will be able to pick from a whole range of predefined templates, as seen here. If you navigate through each of the predefined templates, they offer a full explanation of each order type, with a neat screen record of the UI showing the order type in action. In addition to the predefined order types, AXO will enable a user through the Strategy Composer to build financial applications without code, using a simple drag and drop to define trading rules without having to write a single line of code before embedding them into a single programmable swap. Now, if that wasn't enough, AXO's purpose-built X programming language enables the user to compose their own programmable swaps from scratch and deploy bespoke trading strategies, effortlessly switching between the Strategy Composer and Xcode as required, in turn resulting in unlimited order types and endless opportunities to enhance the trading experience. Admittedly, this is a lot to digest, and I for one am still learning each day from a technical standpoint. This hasn't even really scratched the surface of the full potential of what Axo are aiming to deliver here. So if you go to axo.trade, linked in the description, then in the navigation bar under Protocol, you can take a deeper dive into how it all works, the programmable swaps, order types, strategy composer, and a whole lot more. One thing's for sure, the platform Axo are developing promises to be a real heavyweight contender to all global trading platforms, and in this respect, is a game changer for the Cardano ecosystem. So that's it for today's installment of Cardano Insights, as we keep track of all the developments and continue to spread those positive Cardano vibes. If you found value in the content and want to help me KO this YouTube algorithm, then please be sure to comment, share, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, which will go a long way in pushing the channel out to a much wider audience. Anyway, we'll be back soon with your daily roundup. Until then, thanks for watching, have a great day, and as always, keep it Cardano.